What if your notes could talk to each other? What if they could connect in ways you never expected to automatically generate your next brilliant idea? This isn't science fiction. It's a method called the Zettelkasten. And it was the secret weapon behind one of the most prolific scholars of the 20th century. Stick around, and in the next 3 minutes, you'll learn the simple 3-step process to turn your scattered notes into a thinking machine. Let's break it down. Step 1. Capture fleeting notes. Think of this as your inbox. Whenever an idea strikes, or you read something interesting, you jot it down. One note, one idea. Use a simple app or a physical notebook. This is just your raw material. Step 2. Create permanent notes. This is where the magic starts. Now, take those fleeting notes and rewrite each one in your own words, as if you were explaining it to someone else. Here is the golden rule. Make each note self-contained and atomic. It must contain one single, clear idea. Step 3. The game changer. Connect everything. This is the heart of the Zettelkasten. For every new permanent note you create, you must ask one critical question. How does this idea relate to what I already know? Link it to at least one other existing note in your system. Does it support another idea? Does it challenge something? By creating these links, you are building a network of knowledge, a web of ideas. This is not a linear system, it's a digital brain. And just like in your own brain, the more connections an idea has, the stronger it becomes. By simply browsing your linked notes, you'll discover connections you never saw before. Your Zettelkasten will start to generate new theories and insights for you. It's like having a conversation with your past self. To recap, capture fleeting notes, turn them into atomic, permanent notes, and obsessively link them together. Your notes are no longer a graveyard of dead ideas. They are a living, thinking system. If you want a free guide to set up your own Zettelkasten in a free app like Obsidian, the link is in my description. Save this video to master the method, and follow for more ways to upgrade your mind.